Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into Adobe Premiere Pro, specifically exploring workspaces and how they can streamline your editing workflow. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, optimizing your workspace is crucial for efficiency and productivity. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what workspaces are in Adobe Premiere Pro. Think of workspaces as customizable layouts tailored to specific tasks or workflows. Adobe Premiere Pro offers several pre-configured workspaces such as assembly, editing, color, and effects, but you can also create your own custom workspaces to suit your preferences. To access the workspaces, simply navigate to the top menu bar and click on Window, then Workspaces. From here, you can choose from the default workspaces or create your own by arranging panels and tools to your liking. Now that we understand what workspaces are, let's talk about how to optimize them for our specific editing needs. One of the great things about Adobe Premiere Pro is its flexibility. You can customize your workspace by rearranging panels, resizing windows, and even hiding unnecessary tools to maximize screen real estate. Once you've tailored your workspace to perfection, don't forget to save it for future use. Now, let's explore some efficiency tips to supercharge your editing workflow using custom workspaces. Keyboard shortcuts are your best friend when it comes to speeding up your editing process. Take the time to learn commonly used shortcuts for tasks like trimming, playback, and adding transitions. Additionally, you can link panels together for synchronized actions or spread your workspace across multiple monitors for even more flexibility. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to workspaces in Adobe Premiere Pro. By optimizing your workspace, you can take your editing game to the next level and breeze through projects like a pro. Don't forget to experiment with different layouts and configurations to find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!